Ebusiafo from VJ Parker Rich. Today we are going to have a conversation about Imekuwa wa Ghana and the war costumes and war dress. Who way on billets? Imekuwa is ibino one tare fell. The thing is that ibino was one taren wa woman bebre. But today we are going to just touch on Ibia and Kakra. Just to start off in Imekuwa, we are starting from the Methodist Church of Ghana. Yes, because one is a was slogan nyamye juma neshe ama was a akodo but asoini inaze yeshia zaya kaida Christ inti na yajedo ya deshe Methodist wawambekuwa one tare feel. You see, they come clean, white top, white slits against the duku blue. Now Wariana was our ones white, was that walk home into one out from one ones pakasa. But the most important thing is that in Kadama this in Beku, one uncle will groom your future wives, man. Because Esha, you Tinana will introduce you Methodist Girls Fellowship. I want to wear white or you're down when I wash a yellow top. Now one also when you're condoma because what I want in the toe or your yellow top another. I say, or you feel rough. You're free Methodist, you're about the Church of Pentecost. Makianimbo. Yes, wombo. Na Pentecost foneze urban oye slits na kaba. Wo materials too, blue in a white, but mostly in with them paying for wash a white na young girls and wash a blue, but Charlie wash a diamond tarena. PIWC4, se Central 4, se Local Assembly 4, obiara we ye feel. Na Pentecost fu wonchi anaze ose Abigail obaya no ho ye fe wala fa sodo. But the most famous Pentecost in Mekunchi Ghana obi enyim no one country what's a konkron na ajedo meraze. Okay, yaro kwanada ma. Now we are going to the corridors of the presidents. Oh yeah, President John Dramani Mahama Church, Assemblies of God, Church of Ghana. Na yara ye first lady or ye member of the Imaku of the Assemblies of God Church. Na ose Emma yesumo na wajedo yesuma miraze. Na one also one taren wo me difference bebre. But this particular one here, or ye first lady shares or demonstration kokra. Yen to me zida mun komo ya Brian fa Roman Catholic Church mbum ebe asori ni na wodon dada Roman Catholic Church of Ghana. I say wombe ku bebre, a lot of women association in the Roman Catholic Church of Ghana. Na wafafa won hona wareba eja ebe filama. They have a lot of beautiful ladies. Yes, that is for the Roman Catholic, but all groups be brainting channels or yeah more. Now let's go to the Anglican Church of Ghana. God damn it. Hey Anglican, Neshi Anglican be si aba okombe kuwase atraba bia koye na wajedo wa Christ and in with the wa for one afeza the costumer. Anglican for one bra comment section again with them day. Well, we cannot do this compilation and leave the Presbyterian Church. Womkra, Basarfa, AJ. Messi, well, were lots of costumes and Beku no washe. But with this iconic one because of the football team from Croatia. Now, washa white and red patterns been all year corner rough. So Presbyterian in Beku, one of their dresses in ini. But one cheer so a manful, what check a pa na de wonyimo pa onyi. Asia Presby, you host Yahoo ni wechi, and I was so agenado, Yahoo ensure. I mean, if you know more than that, you can drop it in the comment section. But fast from there, I recall Christ Apostolic Church, one of the old Pentecostal churches, Oba Ghana. I say, and one is a wash a hole, and one hour war uniform in the back of the MTN. What's the Zion baby? Sorry, not shren. And these are beautiful greetings. Shia Christ Apostolic Church member Bia Osbamo na a feel. In this channel, go to YouTube and watch the extended version of this video because there is more to know about women fellowship with Ghana. Well, to do that, women's fellowship started with Ghana between the 1800s and the 1900s. The purpose of these things and they wanted most of these women to come together to help manage affairs of the home, teachings, and the spiritual growth of the homes. So most of these women fellowship and were introduced by Asor, and tell me it's been very helpful. But there is a problem. In recent times, a lot of young girls and pedawobo kombeku. And the question is, why are they refusing to join? But a lot of people are saying in there, true woman, yeah, ma'am. You see, we need you to bring our ladies up properly to become women material. It's about time so that these young girls can become part of this women fellowship, because it really helped back in those days. Since I won't come back, what join a WhatsApp group? Yeah, the kind of girls are our system numa. Crown, Abigail, and the greetings in I, and quite all the young girls you want to know. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section.